Hello dear students, welcome to Geography class. Chapter number 1, the Earth in the Solar System. For class 6th, part 11. In previous part we have completed about planets. Okay, we know that we have learnt in previous class in detail. All planets we have learnt in detail. And today's topic is the moon and its phases. So we know that moon is a satellite. Moon is a satellite. So all planets have the moon, means some few planets have the moons, means satellites. Some are largest, some are smallest. See student, Saturn planet has 62 moons. How many moons? Saturn planet has the 62 moons. They have the 62 moons. Okay, I am writing here moons. Jupiter, it's the 5th planet, and Saturn, it is the 6th planet, and Jupiter is the largest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet, and it has the 67 moons it have in our solar system. So, in this 67, Ganymede satellite. Ganymede satellite is the largest satellite in our solar system. Its Ganymede satellite is the moon satellite. Jupiter satellite, means Jupiter's moon. In this 67 moons have the Jupiter planet. In these 67 moons, the Ganymede moon, means the Ganymede satellite is the largest satellite in our solar system. And next one, Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet in our solar system. So Uranus planet, it is greenish in color because here in this atmosphere present methane gas. In atmosphere present in methane gas, so it is a greenish in color. It is the 7th planet in our solar system, and it has 27 moons, 27 satellites in our solar system. It has the 27 moons. And afterwards, Neptune. So Neptune, it has the 14 moons. Neptune is the 8th planet. Neptune is the 8th planet in our solar system. It is a very far, means it is the farthest planet to the solar system. It is very far to the sun. It is very far to the sun. And it has 14 moons. Also it has a ring. So Neptune is blue in color. And next, 5th planet is Mars. Mars has 2 moons. Mars has 2 moons, means 2 satellites. One is Phobos. Second is Deimos. Deimos is the smallest satellite in our solar system. Deimos is the smallest satellite. Deimos is the moon of Mars planet. Mars have 2 planets. One is Phobos and another is Deimos. The moon has the smallest satellite, smallest moon in our solar system. So Mars planet, it is red color. We call that red color. Mars is the red color because here more amount of iron present in the soil. So its color is orange reddish color. So it has 2 moons. And afterwards, Earth, our Earth. Earth is the 3rd planet in our solar system. It has only 1 moon, only 1 satellite. Okay, student? So that only I am explaining now, moon and its phases. And when the moon rotates, it will revolve around the Earth. Earth is revolve around the sun. Earth is revolve around the sun. It has taken the time in 1 year 365 days. Means it is a 1 year. And the Earth, when it's rotating on its axis, it has taken time 24 hours. 24 hours. And when the Earth revolves around the sun, it has taken the time 365 days and 6 hours. And that like moon. The moon revolving around the Earth. The moon revolving around the Earth, it has taken time 27 days and 8 hours. 27 days and 8 hours. And also same it as when it's rotating on its axis, it has taken the time same that 27 days and 8 hours. The moon surface, it is marked on the crater. How it is the moon surface is there? Like that crater. Crater means what? Some mountains are made up of that volcanoes. Okay, some that hole are there. Means it is a made up of volcanoes. Means it is a made up of means its surface is craters. Craters means so some mountains are there here. The means the mountain. So it is a made up of volcanoes. And see here, student. So there are about 500,000 craters with diameter greater than the 1 kilometer on the moon. Million kilometer craters are present in the moon surface. Okay. And see a student, afterwards I am explaining about phases of the moon. When the moon is revolving around the sun, okay, in the earth's surface, so which part day is there and which part, so it is towards to the sun. The sun means it is the moon. So I think here it is day and here night. So when the moon is revolving around the sun, so the face towards to the earth, the moon's face towards to the earth. Now the earth's part, this part is day is there now. This part is night. And here moon is present here. Okay. The moon face towards to the sun here. Towards to the earth. And here we are feeling here day. Means how it is that? That is full moon. Okay. Like also this like present in earth's moon's shapes. So moon shapes are we know that. So first is this like after. So we are seeing on the sky. Afterwards is increasing in size. It has changing in shapes. The moon is changing in shapes that. Okay, have we changed that? See here, it is first full moon. It is the full moon. Okay. And next day it becomes that, see here. So this like moon is, so we can see on the sky. Okay. And afterwards, so this light. And after few days, so we are seeing some shapes of the moon. Some shapes of the moon. Okay. And how it is rotating to the earth, it's changing the shapes. It has changing the shapes. See here, I am explaining about that in detail. So one by one. See here, some that new moon. New moon, and afterwards full moon, new moon is the side of the moon facing the side of the moon facing the earth. Okay. And afterwards full moon, when we can observe the entire face, so we call it full moon. And afterwards see here, waxing phase. So it is the period during the moon grows here. Moon grows from new moon to full moon. New moon to full moon. And afterwards waning phase. So it is the period, so it becomes moon smaller here. Smaller, it's from full moon to new moon. So I am explaining in detail this all. See here, new moon. How it's looking like new moon? It's a full circle that. It's a bright on the sky, night sky. So it is known as new moon. And afterwards, the sides of the moon facing the earth. So this part is facing towards the earth. So when we call that new moon, means it is a new moon. New moon, how it is that? Actually, this light. So very thin coming this. It is a new moon. And full moon. So when we can observe the entire face, we call it full moon. That face is totally towards to the earth. And afterwards we call that full moon. And waxing phase. Waxing phase means what? The moon grows that day by day, the moon grows here. So this light, its shape is grown. And afterwards we are looking on the sky this. So when the moon's phases are growing that day by day, so it is new moon to full moon. It is new moon. So new moon to full moon. So it is known as waxing phase. And afterwards waning phase. Waning phase means moon. Some moon is full moon to new moon. Again day by day, first it is we looking on the sky, full moon. And next day is when we looking on the sky, this side means full moon to new moon. It is a waning, new moon to full moon. It is a waxing phase. Understood, student? So moon it is a satellite. So many planets have the satellites, we know that. And also phases, moon and its phases also we have learnt in today's class. Some phases are there: new moon, full moon, waxing phase and waning phase. So we have learnt in today's class. In next class I am continuing in next period. Thank you.